Ow. Ow. Ow, ow. You can't bite my face.
Your nose.
You bit my nose off? That's not nice. Now how am I going to smell anything?
Yeah.
What if I get flowers? I won't be able to smell them.
Yeah.
That. Put it on my nose. That's better. I can smell you.
Oh, you can smell me.
Yeah. But it's okay. You smell like a little baby.
Smell.
You smell me? You smell me? What do I smell like? You smell like a baby. What do I smell like?
I don't know, Kurt. No.
That was funny.
I know, Kurt. Done.
She's saying, I don't know, or care.
I know, Kurt.